Anyway, well, weather-wise, I'm getting a tip from the Euro model. We talked about this at 6 that we still have hope for a white Christmas, Russ. It's very faint.
The Euro model, you were saying, is a pretty reliable model.
You know,
right?
I usually lean towards it, but it's been really bad the last couple weeks. So you just can't trust those Euro models anymore, I'll tell you. So we'll sort it out here in the forecast. Let's get you out the door tomorrow morning first. Your rush hour forecast tomorrow morning, no problems whatsoever. We'll be in the 30s. It will be a mild start, increasing clouds by afternoon. Yeah, we've got raindrops, and it looks like a pretty soggy Thursday evening as it looks right now. Temperatures should be up near 50 degrees, so yet another warm day tomorrow. Where has the cold been? I want to start with kind of a big picture look. It's been stuck up in Canada. We've had a zonal flow that keeps everything kind of cut off and keeps that cold air from not entering the United States. But we've got a little bit of a pattern change here over the next 24 hours. Area of low pressure. We've got one up in Minnesota, another one down in the Gulf. They will merge over the next 24 hours. Jet stream is going to carve way down into the Gulf. Pretty unusual. I mean, it happens every now and then, but this is a different look to the weather map. And that in turn will pump some Gulf moisture up, and we've got our storm system on our hands. And that storm system, as it rides up the eastern seaboard, will drag some of that cold air up in Canada south. So you're going to notice that this weekend we'll be back into the 30s, and we'll be talking flakes back in our forecast instead of the rain. But first, the rain. Look at the activity on the weather map. You see that flow out of the south, the clouds starting to head into the Buckeye State now. You'll notice those clouds tomorrow morning and then eventually some showers. Here's our two lows. Again, these will merge down to the south and head northward. With it will be quite a bit of rainfall, especially tomorrow evening and then again on Friday. So let's take you hour by hour. You can see that flow out of the south now. Here come the clouds tomorrow morning. No problems at the bus stop, though. If you've got early afternoon errands, just a couple showers mainly off to the west. It's really on into the evening that things change. Watch this. From 5 to 6 o'clock, we see some light rain overspread all of northern Ohio, and then it gets moderate to heavy at times. This is a washout tomorrow evening with this latest model run. Temperatures in the 40s. At least it'll be mild. Rain clears out Friday. It's hit or miss showers at this point as temperatures fall throughout the day. It will be cloudy. I do think we get another wave of moisture up here Friday evening on into Saturday morning, and that will be a shower changing over to snow shower activity. I think we'll have some wet snow with that as you're out the door maybe Saturday morning, or maybe staying inside. But let's be honest, a lot of us haven't started our holiday shopping yet. So let's go beyond that. So here's that system. You can see some of that rain left over. We're on Saturday. You can see above me. That clears out. Sunday looks clear at this point. We're going to have a lingering boundary somewhere in here with some flurries from time to time, but that won't be very impactful. But this is the Euro model. Look at this storm system. It spins up, brings it right overhead on Christmas Day, and this is an accumulating snowfall for everybody. The GFS, the American model, has this low pressure way up here, so that keeps us on the warm side with some showers, and even the Canadian model keeps that north. So that is the only model saying that, but we have to keep it in mind. And look at the snow it lays down, a little bit on Friday, but look at this slop of snow. We're talking 4 to 6 inches. Do not remember that total at all, because again, that will change, but we'll keep an eye on it. Universal Windows Direct forecast, you can see we're through the 30s Saturday through Christmas Day. There's that little chance of snow, and then later on the next week heading to the new year, we're talking temps up near 50 before a big cool down, it looks like, for New Year's Day.
That is pretty amazing. 50 degrees next Friday the 28th, and tomorrow as well.
Yeah, it's a couple balmy periods in there.
All right, we'll take it. Thank you, Matt.